Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, one half of the dynamic duo of the Real Nesters. I'm back with another product review. If you find this item interesting, you might want to get it. Make sure you check out the description. I will have the link below. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the video. Hit that bell so you get all the post notifications so you'll know when me or Crystal upload a brand new unboxing or a brand new review. Now let's get into it. Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm gonna show you how to install a GoPro mount on the front of your motorcycle helmet, or any helmet. This can go for any helmet. I just happen to have a motorcycle helmet. Here's my helmet right here. As you can see, got the little breathing holes right there. This is the type of mount I have. I have the front face mount. So basically, it's going to sit on the helmet like that, right there. And then you got, of course, the piece that go on the GoPro, and then you got the sticker. So I'm gonna show you exactly how you put this all together real quick if you're not, sure on how to set things up. So first thing is you want to clean your helmet. Make sure that the area that you're going to put it on is clean. Next thing is you look at your mount. If you have this type, it has an arrow on it. See that arrow right there? It goes arrow up, so it would go like that. Also, you'll have a strip like this. I had an extra one, so you probably have two. Now, if you notice, let me flip this around. If you put it that way, it doesn't equal out with it. So you make sure you're putting it the same way. Actually, I had it back right. So make sure the angle, see how that angles up? Make sure where you put this on here, you put it exactly right. And the yellow side goes down. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to basically peel the yellow part off. I'm going to start it right here. I'm going to line that up like so. Then I'm just going to slowly make my way around. There's no rush. There's no rush to doing this. Make sure you're right in the middle. There's no rush. Then I'm just going to hold this as I guide it. As I guide it around. So there. Now, I've got that piece on there. That's the yellow side down. The yellow side down to the inside of it. And remember, the arrow goes up. Now, the next thing you want to do is placement. Placement. This part is pretty easy. But what I'm going to do actually, though, is put this on here before I even do the placement. That way I won't, until it gets all the way solid, I won't have to be putting pressure on it. Now remember, this is going to go like this, and this is going to go down. So don't put it on there like this with this up. Make sure this part is down. So go ahead, push that on there like that. So that's how it's going to look. Remember the arrow up, this part down, and of course, the GoPro just goes on there. Then now on the helmet, this is kind of crucial. So I'm gonna try to get the best shot I can. So let me kind of take this down. The placement of it, you want to place it to where it's not protruding too much below your chin. You actually want it to be equal with the chin. So basically, you make sure it's in the center, and you want that about right there. See where it is? You want it to right there, so the GoPro sits up in this. You want the GoPro to sit in this area, so it's not blocking your view and it's not blocking your chin. So this will be like, my bottom half is that line right there. So I'm going to use that line. So this is going to be my placement. So let me put this on. I'm going to try to get the best angle I can for you guys. It might be kind of, so now the next thing I'm going to do, make sure you're even, is I'm just going to come back. I'm going to take the outside off. If you look at it, I'm just going to peel that off. Now what I'm doing is I'm lining up the middle. Remember, the bottom goes right on that line as far as my helmet. Every helmet may be a little different. So I'm lining up that line. And now, yep, I put that there. And now this is going to be solid. So I'm going to, boom, put that on there. Let that sit for a minute, but this should be solid. That way I still got my air holes, I still can see, and when I take my helmet off, the GoPro, I'm actually using the GoPro to film this, but I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to switch over to my camera for the rest of the video, my cell phone, and I'm going to show you how it sits up. Alright, you guys, this is where you want it. See where my GoPro is? There's the chin. I can still see a little bit underneath the chin, and there's where I look out of my eyesight. Still good. I can still get to my vent. My vent right here. It's coming around the side, and it's coming around that side. It's not even interfering with my Bluetooth. So this is where you want it, about right in this area. Make sure you see a little bit down there. So now it's all clear right there. And now, when I put my helmet on, this is how it will look right here. So remember, you're turning your head, so angle this up a little bit, just a little bit. Keep it up a little bit, because you know you move your head. And now you got your video going. So this is how you set up. This is how you set up your GoPro on your helmet, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. See you on the next video. Peace.